So I've been growing these boundary conifers for a few years now. These ones are only sort of nearly 3 years old, so they're not that mature. Some of them are up to, mind you, some of them have sprung up to about 2 metres. Most of them about, I don't know, 6 foot, 5 foot in the old talk. Some are a little bit more dwarf than others. But got a new watering device. Most of these trees have got a dripper on them. So all the way around the property there's a water line running. And there they are here. And have a look at this little jigger here. This is a NETA Water Tractor. So what it does, it moves along slowly. You'll probably just see it crawling. So slow. But it follows the hose. So the hose is laid out up there. And it'll follow the hose all the way to the end. There's a stop that fits on the hose and it'll shut himself off. We're on bore water here, so it doesn't particularly matter about water cost and stuff like that. Bore water in Australia, you pay a one-off license fee of just under $300, and that's forever. Well, at the stage it's forever. I'm sure they'll change that like they do with everything else, but because I'm a residential, I haven't got a meter on it, and during these hot summers, 42 degrees, got to keep the water up to these things. The alpacas are a bit unsure. The girls don't really like Tommy the water tractor. They're right over the other side of the paddock doing their thing. What do you reckon, girls? Not a fan of Tommy? Anyway, a couple of days you'll have some nice green grass to munch on. Not that you eat that much grass anyway, geez, they're fussy buggers. But yeah, so there's the conifers. They're coming along nicely. It's going to be a nice windbreak, nice privacy for the paddock, stop the wind rustling through on the animals. So look at this one up here. This one up here has gone absolutely mental. This thing's got to be, oh, it's got to be just under 4 metres. Some of them grow absolutely amazing. So look at that. That is just phenomenal. That is just awesome. I love these things, absolutely fantastic. When they dense out, they're planted a metre apart. When they start to hold hands and make a big wall, it's fantastic. These are a little bit more immature. But Tommy the water tractor will give all these a nice little drink and we'll be off. What do you reckon, girls? Not a fan? Oh, well, there you go. That's a NETA water tractor on its way doing its thing.